everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable price alerts on MEXC application. First of all, launch open the MEXC app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're logged into the homepage of MEXC, go ahead and tap on the Markets button from the bottom of the screen, and inside the Markets tab, go to Spot or Futures and search for the cryptocurrency pair you want to track. For example, I have taken this BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. Once you're inside this Markets tab on the next page, go and look for the bell icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Now click on Enable in the pop-up to enable the price alert. Before enabling price alert, you must enable notification for MEXC app. If you haven't done that yet, make sure you do. And once you're back to your MEXC app, tap on the bell icon once again and you'll see this market alerts page. Inside price alerts, click on Add Alert from the bottom of the screen and then go ahead and select the alert type. Choose the alert type from the menu. Select if you'd like to be alerted when the price drops, 24-hour rise reach falls, 5-minute rise reaches, or 5-minute fall reaches. So go ahead and make a selection, and I've just selected price rises above. Now enter the price you want to be alerted on in the next field, and once done, go ahead and select the frequency of your alert, whether you'd like it to be alerted repeatedly, one time or once a day. After making the selection, click on Create Alert at the bottom. Now you've successfully created a price alert on the chosen currency pair. You can add other alerts as well for any other currency pair. Simply repeat this step and select a desired price level, and you'll be able to do so in just a couple of minutes. Now once you enable a price alert on MEXC, you'll receive instant notifications whenever your target price is reached, keeping you in control of your trading strategy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.